Now, there's some key components here that are very worth mentioning, and we've covered these. Um, so, just kind of recapping these. SHH. What is this? We have this, and it's huge in development. Sonic Hedgehog. Sonic Hedgehog. This is involved in proliferation. So we're going to be making cells here, right? We make a lot of cells here. We proliferate cells. Cells divide. It's kind of just the process. Progenitor cells is big with the Sonic Hedgehog. Progenitor cells and cell growth, and they control. Sonic Hedgehog will also control cell survival. Sonic Hedgehog is involved with motor neurons and interneurons. What are those? We could simplify neurons in the central nervous system as sensory neurons, interneurons, and motor neurons. If we want to really have like a simplistic view of things, sensory neurons, they're involved with sensory input. Interneurons are things that are connecting regions, things like excitation, inhibition. And then the motor neurons are responsible for things I'm doing right now, just moving. I'm constantly moving. EI is a big one here, from here. Okay. Now, if you look at data, research data, and you can find like mice and rat models of autism. If you knock out, it will look like this. Sonic Hedgehog knockout. The mouse or rat will not develop the thalamic reticular nucleus. This part comes from the ventral thalamus. Okay, so if you knock out this in a mouse or rat model, they will not develop this or that. So this must be a region of interest for us because of this. Remember the parvalbumin, interneuron specifically. And then this. We've covered that in an episode about inhibition because that's a sensory gate. It protects the thalamus. You don't want the thalamus to be overran. Insane. Okay. We're getting there. Shoot, we're already 9 minutes in. God bless it. Next one is P10. Phosphatase tensin. For sure, it's tensin, but I don't know how to spell it. Let me check my notes. That's it? Insane. ACE. Anytime you see ACE, it's an enzyme. So this is an enzyme, P10. It's huge. This is going to be huge. This is a lipid and protein phosphorus. I can't spell that. I can't. Lipid and protein phosphorus. All of our membranes, except for the inner mitochondrial membrane, are lipid phosphorus. Every cell membrane. This is huge. This is also involved with regulating neurulation here, in large part. Okay, there's a pathway, let me see. Yeah, there's a lot of PIP. You'll see a lot of PIP involved, like 2, 3, and so forth with this. But let's not get distracted here. AKT and mTOR, mammalian target of rapamycin. Okay, this is huge in this process. Okay, especially the neural plate. Okay, this is going to be such a region of interest. This is also involved with, and because it's lipid and phosphorus, microtubules. We have an episode on that. I wrote it out. And mitochondrial biogenesis. Okay, there's a study recently, Eric et al. In 2021 or 2022. I can't remember. But it's in Cell Press. Cell Press is a fantastic journal. It's actually maybe Cell Reports. I can see the graphical abstraction. Cell Press journals have this great graphical abstraction and then like 3 or 4 key highlights. It's very good stuff. Okay, so they study that a loss of P10 and then mTOR complex 1. You'll see it as mTORC1. I forget what they did. I forget if they rescued the lack of P10 by targeting complex 1 or what. I don't know. But this is a good region of interest here for us. This regulates cell growth proliferation, survival, and differentiation as well. And the proliferation here into differentiation into a mature cell. P10 is also involved in things like cancer growth and things like that.